Okay, now I have learned to skim and scan in Extension Activity 1, and I'm moving on to TechnoResearch 2, Broaden then Narrow Your Topic. So in this lesson, we're going to do a quick internet search to expand the ideas about our topic, and then we're going to go through the options to narrow the focus of our research. So already you know that you're going to be studying how Christmas is celebrated in a foreign country, and you've chosen your country. So the country that I chose is the Philippines. So the first thing I'm going to do is open a new blank Google Doc, and I'm going to type the name of my topic. So that is here, Christmas in the Philippines. Then the next thing that I am going to do is click up here in Untitled Document, and it automatically puts the first thing that's typed on the page in as the title. So the title is Christmas in the Philippines. Next, I'm going to highlight those words or select them, and then I'm going to go down to the corner. Going to go down to the corner and click on the Explore button down here, and it brings up some information about Christmas in the Philippines, but it's not a lot. So what I'm going to do, because it only gives you 3 things, up here where it says Related Research, I'm going to click on More, and it's going to give me a whole bunch more websites to go to. So here we have 11 best Philippine Christmas holiday destinations, Christmas in the Philippines. So we can go through and just look for things that look interesting to you. You can click on them if you want, and you can maybe look for some pictures, all different things. So here is something that I think is interesting, Christmas and New Year in the Philippines, and it has some different Christmas decorations. So when I find something like this that I think might be interesting, I click on the plus sign, and it inserts a little bit about it. I'm just going to move it down to the next line. It inserts a little bit about it, and it also gives a footnote. So if you can see the one right here after the quote, if we go down to the bottom of the page, here's the one, and here is the website that I can go to get more information. So I'm going to go through and keep doing that. I'm going to put each new thing on a new line. All right, here's something from a place called kidworldcitizen.org. So that looks like it could be good. So I'm going to put that and see, it makes it number 2, and if I go to the bottom, here's number 2 and the information. So just keep doing that and find different things. This one looks like it might be good. And then in this case, you can use Wikipedia or Wikivoyage. You can use them, but only to get their sources. So you can't use the information that you find in Wikipedia or Wikivoyage, but you can use the sources that that information came from. Because remember, in Wikipedia, anybody can write on that website. They can edit what's on there. So it's not the most reliable source, but the sources that are used for it can be. You still have to evaluate them, like we've learned earlier this year. All right, so once you have come up with a few different things, then what you are going to do is you're going to build a word list. So let me make this smaller again so we can see all of it. So here I've looked at paroles, which are star-shaped Christmas lanterns, and belen, which are nativity scenes, and then there's also Christmas trees, Santa Claus figures. Then this one has some of the things that Filipinos do when they're celebrating Christmas. And then this third one is about different traditions. So I'm just going to make a word list of different things. So like paroles, bellin, Christmas trees, Santa Claus, okay, food, presents, rations. All right, so you're just going to make a bunch of different, choose a bunch of different things about your topic and put them in this word list. So other things to help you, other things that can be in the list are different words that are used for the topic, objects related to the topic. So that would be like these decorations that I came up with. I spelled Santa Claus wrong. Places, people, different things like that. So I've come up with my list, and now I'm going to pick one idea from the list. So since several of these relate to Christmas decorations, I think I'm going to choose that for my idea. So now below my list of words, I'm going to enter a couple of times, and I'm going to write a new topic name. So my new topic is going to be Christmas decorations in the Philippines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with a list of questions that I have about the topic. Okay, now that I've come up with my list of questions about my new topic, which is Christmas decorations in the Philippines, and here I've come up with 6 questions. After I've done that, I'm going to rename the document with the new topic name. So all I have to do is add the word decorations. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to share it. Well, you are going to share it with me. So click on share. And then you would type bcook and click on bcook either at ggwo.org or ggca.org. And then over here you're going to change it. I don't want to be the editor of your document. I want to be a commenter. So you click on commenter and then send, and it will come up with another question, and you choose send anyway. And then that's the last thing you do for this, this lesson in TechnoResearch.